Which is better in 2022, Java or Python? Both languages are good and have equal job opportunities. Java technologies are most used in building servers, enterprise web applications, mobile applications, robotics, desktop apps, and more. Python is more suitable for big data and AI.
Join MyExamCloud, start learning Java and Python. More Java and Python video courses are on the way.